Nick, you getting more points?
I want to, but I think I might drop another bag on the 2,800. But I'm just thinking of those hot lunch shifts that I've been working. My back was all sweating. My chest was sweating.
Yeah.
No way. Even though I really want to. Like, do get the 100? That means I'm 1,000% not getting the Legend Edition for Ronald. Yeah, Ronald is trash, right? No, I don't want to, bro.
Think about you bring points. It's yours. This you purchase.
I gotta stare at this screen for mad long, dog.
Yeah, that one right there.
I gotta meet you in the middle of this.
Yo, what should I open first? These, the platinum, right?
I'll just talk to Nick then if Jay and you go do.
You gotta be thankful for everything.
Just go on Xbox. Nick, don't click on him yet. Put him at
Same
the end.
thing.
Nick, bro. What are you quick on him now for?
Yo!
Click on him all at the end, Reed.
Hello?
What are you doing?
Happened.
Nick did.
He quicks out of me
You
right
lost
before.
out on 100K. What are you doing, bro?
No.
I'm kidding. You doing the platinum ones or the
Okay. So what do I do? Do I just click A and then
Just
what?
click X to go to the next one.
88 overall. Oh my God, Hunter Renfro, shout out to you, brother. But come on, man. Like, yo, you sure top right is a good camera position, dog? Trent Brown, what you know about Trent Brown? Yo, I'm getting butt cheeks, dog.
Keep him, Nick. Keep him.
All right, it's an 83. I gotta do something, dude.
Oh, I thought that was Aaron Donald.
Lil Wayne is picking my next pack, bro. Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne.
What are you talking about?
Lil Wayne is so much.
Are they gonna go up or down?
The 84s for what?
Yo, Dalton Schultz, hello?
Team boost.
Hello?
Yo, Nick, keep believing.
No,
Nick
what
can
I
have a
said.
bad freaking attitude.
Let's get it.
Bro, someone else has to take that.
Yo, Nick, check that, bro. Click on that.
Oh, it's Lil Wayne, bro. Lil Wayne.
Wayne is fucking up there right now.
Lil Wayne. Okay, I got two more. Lil Wayne needs to play a song, bro.
So I can
Okay. Come on. Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go.
Yo, his packs are juiced. What the hell?
All right, Pro Pack Elite.
Lucky.
Nobody cornerback, dog.
He's going so slow, bro. He has 14 packs. You gonna play that? He got Jalen Ramsey. Oh my. Yo, Colby. Oh my God. This kid Nick's juice a lot.
Holy crap, Kobe, look at this thing. Please look at it.
Bad luck is juiced, bro. All the
I'm shaking.
We're
I'm
having
actually
Patriots.
gonna have close to.
Kids are gonna have like 2 Patriots team teams.
Oh, I got a net.
Nick, you owe me 10% for help encouraging you to buy this.
That's crap, Kobe. You ain't owe me crap. I worked for this pack opening. In the hot sun, my back was sweating. I was looking like a bot. People making fun of me.
About to buy a left. Go look at the stream.
No, but Nick-
I'm just waiting to see another like 88 freaking Aaron Donald, bro.
Nick, I got you that job.
Derwin James. You got Derwin James. Kid luck is mad good. I need to open packs on
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
Yo, look who just posted.
People Trayvon Diggs. Getting bailed the fuck out.
Yo,
Maybe it's
Trable. Oh, I keep getting the snake hops.
oh my god.
Seriously got like no double elite packs.
Have you watched? I've seen other pack videos. They are not even close to how.
Yeah,
good this
people
one
are
is.
getting shot.
These packs, I open these packs, I'm dead serious, all mine are like 83 and below.
Dude, Nick is
Yeah,
getting like
I
a
opened 2 of them and I got shit. I got like 80, 81, 82. Like
I'm grateful for everything that
Dude,
I've
I'm just like
gotten.
at this
Oh
point,
my
I'm just
God.
like 97 or 88, bro.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be an 88.
Like I just see a jersey and I'm like, holy shit.
Oh my God, I was gonna get hype 83. Alright, I'm gonna open it. I'm opening. Before I click it, you gotta wait a little. It's my boy Kobe, man. I need you now. Hunter Henry, I can use him for my team. I could drive, so I took a different route, cause I don't have no self-doubt.
Zero IQ, don't care if anyone leave me, it just give me deja vu.
Last pack, I think.
Six and Nick, cause he rapping like.
Say that rap like fight, me and him's going right. I got my boy Millie.
To make sure the family's curly ain't crossed, but I
Alright, I'll take that.
Where did I go wrong? Whoa.
Let's go, oh, please tell me I have one more pack run. Packs?
Jalen Ramsey.
Yeah, sell Jalen Ramsey right now, bro.
Yo, oh my God! I just want to thank everyone at the Flying
This is
Bridge.
last pack.
I want to thank my family, my friends.
That's probably one of the best pack looks I've like ever seen.
Holy crap! How much does he go for? How much does Jalen Ramsey go for?
365k, but you gotta search him up.
Dying, I'm
out here,
spending
my
money
best
playing
players.